Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Yiddish video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you all how to talk about another important topic in the Mamelution: clothing. In fact, I won't just be teaching you, I'll be showing you. What are the names of different articles of clothing in Yiddish? You're about to find out. Here we go! A sweater. A sweater. A sweater. A schessel. A schessel. A hemd. A hemd. Kurze Ärmel oder lange Ärmel. A vestel. A vestel. Socken. Socken. Strümpf. Strümpf. Schicht. Schicht. Henschkes. Henschkes. A mantel. A mantel. A sjaal. A sjaal. A hit. A hit. Or this one can also be called a winterkappel. A winterkappel. Hoizen. Hoizen. A kleid. A kleid. A passik. A passik. A rekkel. A rekkel. A jacket or a blazer. Interhosen. Interhosen. You can also say budgie. Interhemd. Interhemd. Bristhalter. Bristhalter. An armband. An armband. An oiringel. An oiringel. Or several oiringlich. A ringel. A ringel. Or several ringlich. A nooseband. A nooseband. A keitel. A keitel. A chat. A chat. That's it for today. What are you wearing today? Comment it down below in your language. Tack för idag, litraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen.